Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to transform a JavaScript array of objects into a nested navigation list in 10 minutes. Start by creating an empty folder and open it with VS Code. And then create an index.html file and write some basic HTML boilerplate. Entitle your project and then add a link that points to the style sheets. Add a script tag that points to the index.js file. Now add a div with an ID equal to navigation, and inside it add two divs, one for the header and the other for the list. Next, open the index.js file. Declare variable, I'll call it items. This variable will hold the array of objects that we are going to use to create our list. So the first object will have a description equal to item 1 and the link will be equal to youtube.com. And the sub-item property will be null. Duplicate the objects many times and edit the description for each object. Declare a variable list container and then create a UL element. Next, create a function. I name it nestItems. This function will accept two arguments, the items array and the list container. Then loop through the items and create a list HTML elements for each. Then check if the current item sub-items is null or not. If null, then create an anchor tag and assign inner HTML to the item.description value, and then assign the item.link value to the href value of the anchor tag. Now append the anchor tag to the list item. Now append the list item to the container and return the container back. Now select the nav list from the HTML file and append the container list to it. Now open the live server and check your work. Next, we will add sub-items to the third item of our array. Now in our function, we will take care of the second possibility where the sub-items exist. So we write an else statement. We start by creating a div element and assign the item.description value to its inner.html. In this case, we assume that this element doesn't have a link because it has sub-items. And then we append this div to the list item. Never forget to declare your variables. It's really important to specify the scope of your variables. Next, we will use recursion, so we will call our function from within itself. And append the subcontainer to the list item. And append the list item to the container. Switch the type of the script tag to module and declare the I variable and all undeclared variables too, and check the result. That's it. In the next video, I am going to show you how to style this nested list.